Senator Amy is a senator of the country, okay? And as a senator of the country, she also has responsibility na, alam mo, as one of the leaders and as a senator, may responsibility ka to even clarify kung totoo nga ba ang allegations against your brother, who's the president. Mga tao sa ibang bansa, given kung mapuprove na tama nga, na yun na nga yun, na yung mga video na yan, totoo. So, wala talaga kasi my God, I mean, even I right now, I'm putting myself in that situation, parang hindi ko alam sa anong mukha ang ihaharap ko. Kasi parang feeling ko wala pang kasiguraduhan yan at wala pang nangyayari dyan. Until now, wala talagang concrete na report on that, at saka may mga controversy surrounding the Maharlika Fund. Even yung kanyang sino ba yun? Yung parang mag-take charge sa pamamahala niyan is asking for milyones na sweldo per month. Sabi ko, my God, ano ba?